Are you ready for the AI future? In this video, we're diving deep into the coolest tech tools and AI hacks that are changing the game. From transforming your job search to making data analysis a breeze, we've got it all. You won't believe how easy it is to level up your career, your skills, and your productivity thanks to cutting-edge AI. So sit tight and let's jump into the wildest AI-powered moments that'll leave you saying, "Why didn't I know about this sooner?" You've been chatting with AI a lot lately, but do you know what's behind the magic? No? What is it? Meet LLMs, large language models. They're the brains behind ChatGPT and other AI tools. Oh wow, can you explain about LLMs a bit more? Yeah, sure. LLMs use deep learning trained on massive amounts of text to understand and generate human-like language. They recognize patterns, answer questions, write text, even translate languages. They're not just smart, they're reshaping how we interact with technology. That's great info, thanks a lot. Don't thank me. Next time you chat with AI, thank an LLM.
India announced ceasefire decisions are being taken, neutralizing the threat.
While the nation scrambles for real-time intelligence, you're in the office scrambling for insights before a 6 p.m. meeting, and your data, a mess of spreadsheets, docs, and no time to find insights. Forget building charts or analyzing trends, your evening's gone. Meet your new data warrior, the Analyst agent inside Microsoft 365 Copilot. Just click Analyst agent in the Copilot side panel, drop in your chaotic files, and type a simple prompt like, "Help me understand our most loyal customer segments and build me a graph for a presentation." It reasons like a real analyst, writes code, and creates stunning visualizations in minutes. In a world of chaos, clarity is your weapon. Win your war on data. Try Analyst inside Microsoft 365 Copilot today. Hey, what if your video calls felt so real you feel like you and the other person is in the same room? Sounds like sci-fi? Well, Google just made it real with Google Beam. Google Beam uses 6 cameras and powerful AI to capture you from every angle, then merges those streams into a fully 3D ultra smooth video experience. Yes, you heard it right, 60 frames per second with near perfect head tracking. Imagine remote meetings where you can read body language like you're sitting across the table. No more awkward frozen faces or that "can you hear me" moment. For professionals, this means clearer collaboration, stronger connections, and faster decisions, boosting productivity like never before. And the best part, the first Google Beam devices made with HP are coming later this year, ready to step into the future of work. Hey, why you seem so tired? Man, real talk, why does applying for jobs feel like screaming into the void? Because you're still sending the same "Dear Sir Madam" resume to every job like it's 2009. Okay, rude, but fair. So what's the move? AI Apply. It's like Iron Man for job hunting. Okay, what is AI Apply? Paste the job link, it auto-generates a custom resume, cover letter, and follow-up email based only on your skills. Undetectable, fast, specific. Wait, follow-up email too? That's wild. Yep, people are getting jobs at Google, Apple, and startups in under a week. AI Apply equals job search cheat code. Damn, this isn't just AI, it's career rocket fuel. Exactly. Job hunting in 2025, but your resume looks like it's stuck in Windows 10? Stop right there. Here's the fastest glow up for your CV. Copy the link of the job you want, open Word with Microsoft 365 Copilot, upload your current resume. Boom, AI rewrites your CV to match the job in seconds. No keyword stuffing, no template mess, just a clean tailored resume that passes ATS like a boss. Copilot reads your experience, compares it to the job, and upgrades your CV instantly. You don't need a design tool, you don't need a coach, you just need Microsoft 365. And there you have it, some seriously game-changing tools and hacks that will revolutionize the way you work, search for jobs, and connect with others. Don't let the future pass you by. Grab these AI innovations now and stay ahead of the curve. Drop a comment below, hit that subscribe button, and be the first to know about the next big thing in tech. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and always think ahead.